Friends, I am happy to note that India-Germany defense and industrial relations have deepened through significant industrial partnership, with a growing focus on co-development and co-production. Key milestones included a January 2026 pact between ThyssenKrupp Marine System and the Majgaon Dock Shipbuilders for the naval project, and joint efforts to enhance ammunition production and the subsystems manufacturing. Further, Hyderabad-based VEM Technologies and German firm TKMS have signed a strategic teaming agreement for joint production of torpedoes in India, including technology transfer and the co-development of Make in India heavyweight torpedo. But nations are aligning their industry to create resilient supply chains for the defense equipment, particularly in response to geopolitical shifts. Friends, in this context, the India-Germany Defense Investor Summit assumes special significance. This summit enables business-to-business interactions, fosters partnership, and helps identify concrete areas of collaboration. Friends, I would encourage all participants to look at this engagement with a long-term perspective. And the partnerships in the defense sector require trust, commitment, and a shared vision. They require investment not just in capital, but in relationships. India is ready for such partnership. And we are also open to new ideas, new model of collaboration, and new approaches to innovation. Friends, before I end my address, I would like to thank all the dignitaries, industry leaders, and the participants for being part of this important initiative. Your presence here today is a testament to the growing strength of India-Germany relations. India looks forward to a deep and enduring partnership with Germany. If the earlier chapters of India-Germany partnership were written through technology, enterprise, and culture, the next chapter can be written through innovation, capability, and strategic cooperation. Together, we can build capabilities that not only serve our national interests, but also contribute to global stability and resilience. Friends, personally, I would like this forum to be identified a few areas of B2B cooperation. Work on them in near term and become a platform for more mutually fruitful engagements. This way, we can ensure that this summit doesn't remain one of the event, but a catalyst.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.